Daddy!
It's gonna ram you. It's like, I will get you. Kurt, stop. Kurt, slow down. Kurt, slow down!
Daddy, stop!
Holy crap.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Careful, it might poke you with the cord.
that is hilarious. Oh,
Look at the
sorry.
Look at the front. Look at the big one with the horn. I'm going to take a picture of that one. We're probably going to kill it with the exhaust. There's more deer up there. Ah! Scared the crap out of me.
Oh. Nice and gentle, kids. Don't throw them at their faces.
That longhorn is pretty.
I
like a brindle
can't
lip.
feed this to you by hand. Sorry.
It's like going to ram your stinking... Look, I'm going to get a picture of this thing.
I'm sorry, little baby. Oh, look at that one. Here you go.
Woo! Hi!
Get a picture. Gentle, guys. Gentle. Not the face. Not the face.
I cut it. Hit it in the face, Daddy. I was about to hit our truck.
Look at the stinking horn. I just want to touch the horn. Oh my